And I think somewhere in your affidavit, you also mentioned that Michael Yang was also close to Pulong, Paulo Duterte.
Very close.
Very close.
Very close. Michael Yang and Pulong in Charlatan was very close. And sometimes me with Charlatan will drink beers.
Is that so?
Yeah. Pulong was the mastermind in the smuggling of shabu in the port of Davao. And I was one of his conduit or front men.
Yes, in fact, I remember from your affidavit, I think, or was it the one from, I think one time you were tasked to deliver money.
Yeah.
To the Bureau of Customs.
To the Bureau of Customs, of course to Pulong, and to Bato de la Rosa. Every week.
To Bato de la Rosa.
Every week I deliver Bato de la Rosa 50,000 every week.
This was when he was
when he was the city director of
City Police Director. Okay.